Coke and Mentos. Okay, get ready to run. So I'd stand up if I were you.
Oh, I'm gonna put my mouth over.
Okay. Well, then I gotta get down to get you guys to see. Get ready, guys.
Okay, first I just gotta open it because I just so got this. I have to split them in half.
Yep. Oh,
Can you hold this up, please?
yeah, I sure can. We've had 2 spills so far.
When you never really stop.
But I never what?
No, you haven't. Oh, this was
Tell me when to let go. Can I let go right now?
Well, I'm splitting them.
Okay, I let go. How many you got?
They're yours. Those are your Mentos.
Oh boy. Okay. Get ready to run. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna put 2 on.
I think it's done. Okay, now.
At the bottom.
Oh my.
Look at
Okay.
Lim, look at the Mentos at the bottom.
Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here, film it. Here, it's already recording, so don't hit any buttons. Okay. Now, guys, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna take the Mentos, put it on, and then screw the cap back on. And we're gonna have to go to the
Have
front.
trying to do that.
Yeah, I know. It's probably not going to work. But you know what? I'm going to try it. Okay, how many should I put in? I'm going to put...
Just put them all in.
Watch out! Oh, no. That would have been so cool. Like, it went.
You should put your mouth over it.
Sorry.
Hey, put all the ones on the ground and back in.
I want
Just back up.
I want to eat one. No. No.
If you can if you buy your own. Coke is minty. Coke
Man.
is minty.
I mean, I got Remy pretty good.
Oh. Chug.
Chug?
It's minty. Chug. Wow, you can see the stuff in the bottom.
Look at that.
I'm just, you can just see this.
Okay.
Wow, did that work?
That's really minty.
Nice.
Oh, my eye. Okay, apparently it's still getting fizz, and that hurts.
Okay, babe, you want to film?
Oh. I'm gonna get. I'm gonna.
When you want to I zoomed into your face. So funny.
Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching.
Hold on.
And bye bye.